that ball at the back of the net. But that is not to say goal like Martial say, you know, he doesn't deserve that credit. Terrific goal. And a bunch of say, and United team now on Aminu Krenimie. United Sikabi so more. Next season there's so many Hurricane at anymore. Now Pogba best stay out. Pogba in midfield. Harry Maguire. Couple of signings at the tour, they here our post room, and it's soon be better. But United team work in terms of quality, no, and Blue Wolves for so only 2 players and on Manchester. Me will be some because these are world class air players. On my Canada, they are average players, above average air players. And to coming up against Wolves 1-1, no, it's not a shocking result at all. Wolves football according to system, according to a plan of Nuno Espirito Santo, work. I dear friend hard work. And team be a patron only exceptional quality, no. I dear friend work, no. I dear a year to my year. Leicester G Premier League, no. It was work. Player Ben and Obeka Sabia were exceptional. Mares had a special season, Vardinum, but look at generally the team, no, not quality any so. Now, Opinion fan Espirito Santo, no, say, yeah, can't coach him, he's better than Manchester United coach. Opinion fan Ole Gunnar Solskjaer, only Majumani channel, and Tiziana was Siano. Now, Oma United, Esofano, and say, who's Manchester quality no dear or form, and a wolf form, so no, it's a system, it's not about individual players. In terms of individual players, how many players be on Bruce Bia? But a system, no. So I think and no again, no, was true reflection of the 90 minutes footballer patron you're showing.
Well, can we have a story about Valverde issues near there, El Coso of Barcelona, and it's very, very interesting. We are Barcelona 4-year tweet. The two just a very funny tweet, and yeah, they communicated just they hype one of their players, and the tweet, I feel the need of change and the need for speed, and the Yodiaba picture to watch. I said, Barcelona, it drew Bramu Yemrika, Yodiaba, a player, Barcelona beating her county on, and it's a very nice post because she knew what I try some of my social media handle, not in your mouth, and Kanoko can't comment what, yeah. Speak one thing. It's all about Coach FN and Ernesto Valverde. I said about Barcelona from penny for the 200 and for coach no baby. They're just trying to hype a player. But supporters need class your moko share. You can go and read the comments under. If you go like announce Neymar, announce the sacking of Ernesto Valverde, announce Messi fit. This is what we want. One of the major comments was here. Also, I say posting the need for I feel the need for speed. You know, I feel the need to sack the coach Valverde out. And it goes on and on and on. As somebody for coach, no, open and I trainer come follow Barcelona for since some defeat against Robertis. And the BS said, I'm targeting your coach, no, the Ebema coaching and coaching. Ken is getting interesting. The volume is going up. The need to sack coach your friend Ernesto Valverde. Saturday near here argument kakra about who will be the ideal replacement for the coach. And Ken I'm a Kaiser making mention say currently some will share options available. Especially with coaches some free. And we hear say Barcelona be breaking the bank. Except coach, you know, or turn out of contract. The options are highly limited. But Ken, I'm starting to believe, say, comments are hot wherever. And send your coach in here lose the support of the fans. Because Ken, coach, they are no answer. Mostly you look at the management, the board, your relationship with them. And again, yeah, Baba will play your body in the crown you want them to say. Emrantia only your moody agra, who authority over them, I will manage you. I'm no kid out there to say. Yeah, Baba share the fans. And to some extent, the old players or the legends. And the only quiet aspect I am said, I take the part of the board of Barcelona and the management of Barcelona. But I share the old players of Barcelona. Opia Baba Montebabe Casabia and talking about the coach out. Some monitor fans in the crowd they are all over. The playing body, there's not a sample. So after say Barcelona bought against Liverpool, there was an internal division where players in the first said. Coach not take bench and no man to our bench. Any GG war coach in Mabafo. So can honestly speaking, I'm one word the other me yane Barcelona supporters or Mokas a coach and Nkone Yaya again. And Ken, this is what I feel. we want to say between these three coaches, because my brother just said, Openya friend Master Allegri an ideal coach for Barcelona. I've made that comment. But his rhythm of play and his philosophy, anyhow, developing the team, how was the team, me want to say, obey me, actually enough success, and also obey play that splendid football now. Everyone that appeal for Barcelona fans. Me who's idea our Max Allegri, and currently, so which coaches say available on that high level. Marino are not going for him because of Barcelona sending me man, and the same as Max Allegri. Apart from those coaches, some are available. So Barcelona pay any other coach. It has to be a coach or under contract. Either they're going for Roberto Martinez from Belgium, Erik ten Hag from Ajax, or Ronald Koeman from the Holland national team or the Dutch national team. These are the three ideal coaches, and none of them is available for Barcelona. Say you're free on the market, you just go in and you bring him. All those are three coaches. I'm about there. Ken, so we now trash in year because Ken say, oh, going for experience. Straight away, Ronald Koeman, I'll be going for him. He's a former Barcelona player. Who say you and Cruyff team about Bordeaux or Barcelona from the year 1990 to 1994. I'm about Jane Momena in the Spanish League. I'm just Spanish League network so far. I thought to Mukaji UEFA Champions League now. He was part of the European Cup. He was an instrumental player. He understands the Barcelona philosophy. And opinion about Kobe developed Barcelona philosophy in modern days was Johan Cruyff. And he was under him. His ideal system, our opinion, any coach, that total football mixed with pace and efficiency at some particular point in time. Midfield dominance. Sergio Mana opinion in here. And one Monitana, from his days at Ajax or the PSV, or the PM or Everton to even Southampton, on certain coaching major clubs there. But Osha and Koeman and Juma Oye in almost all the clubs of Aqua, that is the system of the approach. And Ken is an experienced coach, 55 years. He's seen how to manage the big guns. He understands the Barcelona DNA, that is one. The system of Bono effective Barcelona team, no. And also your coach number so coach of Barcelona. And said the issue of man management is so here. Because Barcelona a team, a make up of players are big. And to win your beer. Utmi handle egos. Now again, Utmi nature talent, and you see that with the Holland national team of 5. Young players all building in the Holland national team in a group against France and Germany. Utmi top PM was semi-finals of the UEFA Nations League. It was mixed with experience and young players, and what you about handle the transition of the Holland national team in a very splendid form. And that is said that Barcelona do. Barcelona in Champions stage that they will need somebody who can manage transition. So Moon say his best fit. Secondly, the Ten Hag man. Because I'm also here Juma Wires. And no sure ball the Ajax ball last season. And yeah, Juma the Ajax here. In terms of talent production. And can also say no coach is now about Barcelona in like a crabby nasho that Amasia. Graduation of Barcelona youngsters from academy to the main team. About the issue. Gap now about that. And I must say Barcelona. I call transfer market and call signing players. Okay. So can me want to say between these two coaches, Roberto Martinez to some extent Baba the third option. But between Erik ten Hag, a 100-year experience maybe, but a Barcelona philosophy. But if you're looking for experience, it's straight away for Penya Fenwood and Koeman. And Ken, we want to say Valverde, how our lose to the dressing room, how are the fans in the year give up on him, no matter the results of that channel up from. The national season will be to me ending over.
So about the champion with us, but Andy, what about could be one man Crana, Master about could be my name, Rafi.
Popoban say penalty to Champions League final. On say penalty at the World Cup final. On say penalty at the FIFA Club World Cup finals. And on say penalty in the Europa Cup finals. But penalty of course in Ra, Millionaire Stadium no Ken. The noise about the penalty I was saying, it's making it look like if say, Manchester United a Champions League final, Santiago Bernabeu and also San Siro, and I put back say penalty. All because penalty in the bar, Marcus Rashford the five, and I put back the feeling. Can so share the English media and I said the British media. Omu way I almost see your money and mostly the Bayern may catch also racist, but one share your own because they are not just like the Russians and other Italians. But they have an intelligent way of almost racism said you almost see. I'm not a fan of Pogba, and I've said it time and again. So my problem with Pogba here, the department no on how you find a way to dominate play in terms of the midfield balance and the creativity, the possessive movement, how you dominate the midfield play and how you contain opposition midfield. Pogba and team yes even against middle table teams, and then obi oche game against Wolverhampton Wanderers be names ehun say Pogba isn't the type of a midfielder cast in that particular mode easily to control this team midfield and as opposition midfielders as whole. Inti Carbe can occur say na midfield na open and it's so clear. So ball with McTominay. Na Pogba any the variety type, the Thiago Alcantara type of a midfielder. That type of a midfielder, the Merano Piano type. Ken, obviously there will be space in midfield. But Ken, Pogba ko say penalty a shinsi. But Opia had read up say one penalty who bio. When your first time players are called penalty or Manchester United in 2012-2013 season, first 3 games a United boy, Ken, then you almost say penalty. 3 different players na boy. Nani ball back home. Javier Hernandez Chicharito ball back home. And Abrante fell Robin Van Persie ball back home. Later, na Ferguson realized said that it was so poor be over settle on a penalty kick, and that was the time of Robin Van Persie chance. Manchester United penalty be about no ball. But the media has not been fair to Pogba, all because of a French international, all because of English, all because of the amount of money or general at the end of the week. Kinabe catch us say, "Yan share decisions are enipa bebre aye, but because of their connection with the English media no obi amomechi." Tell me now Mauricio Sarri watch Chelsea. Now about Jorginho as a register. Just in front of the back four. And as a 3-man midfielder and Mauricio Sarri choose no. So Obama take over to your left. No about Branche Feni N'Golo Kante to your right. No about Jorginho at the heart of the midfield. No about N'Golo Kante as boss to boss. Same media were criticizing Sarri boss Sarri Achisa. And last week who bear story said, and Holloway Babeka said, "Hey, media na in England for na pam Mauricio Sarri, not because of performance." But can you the days of Frank Lampard? Oba about 3 games. So the first game of boy Oba Branche Feni Jorginho and Matthew Kovacic are double pivot. One and elbow, the heart of the midfield. And after the deep midfield, and one and elbow, Jorginho. So he game on consider 4-0 free war. She 2 games awabo. Oba game against Liverpool. Oba Liverpool no. Oba with Matthew Kovacic, Oba with N'Golo Kante, and Oba with Jorginho. So system I know Oba in a 4-3-3 setup now. Oba Kante on the right, no Oba Kovacic on the left. The middle of the pitch, and I said 3-man midfield, Nipa Ojina Finfino on Branche Feni Jorginho. Same happened in the game against Leicester City. But Ken, until so be a candidate. Say Lampard and Son on the game plan because N'Golo Kante should be the mopper or the holding midfielder as the 3 midfield now. Coach a friend Lampard born. Jim Carragher bet me I can't so be an answer to Lampard because he's a young coach and it will take time for him to glitter. It's Ken. When it's good for the English people, but the coach here, obi ababo omachi. And the answer is Abeka said, so what only gonna search and a substitution in the endless minute of the game. Say, you any coach be only connection with the class of 92, only connection with the English media can, and consider on base your bonus in the Nebikitwa. Mashe, last time you was Joseph or no bonnet, Joseph, and the system of play yet on free for Pogba. I hear Obed Mokad. But Ken, Ruben or Pogba born in Manchester United. It is the same Joseph Diana. But also Biaka, Upianka. System Ben Manchester United, boy, can't attack defensive system now. But only when associated by Ubianka.
I'm not dominating possession, baby. I'm not control game.
Joseph Mono, the games of boy, can they be any control possession? But games are Joseph Bon Ken. United were defensive. And I'm saying that the approach of their games has been defensive. Or be even and containing possession again. What was the approach? They can't attack. The entire moment team created chance in answer the 3 back of the Wolves team were highly defensive. And the normal more high defense system like 8 teams at Manchester United number like Chelsea. And you almost like those who clear cut chances inside the area. And to the approach of Ole Gunnar Solskjaer, Ken, and you just say any wine, a defensive approach, and it is a highly counter-attacking game that they played against Chelsea. I'm not sure for Obianka was it. Pogba is playing as the boss to boss. Who Pogba was behind the 18-year boss as a playmaker, all control game in the advanced area. Jose was playing Pogba as boss to boss like only when associate Obianka was it. It is because he's part of the class 98. It is because he is giving the English guys opportunity to play and play well. It's Obianka. Jesse Lingard about 113 games, 10 assists. Di Maria about 27 games, 10 assists will be about Di Maria. 8 months, he's yet to score, he's yet to give an assist as a number 10 for Manchester United, Ken Obianka. That is how the English media works. Or me erase it. But Ken, so you're connected with them, Obianka. So you're close to them, Obianka. Someone say you are part of them, Obianka. It is the reason why I feel Robinson. So Oko Manchester United site, Oko Manchester United Twitter page, Oko Manchester United on Facebook. Baby, Manchester United will be asked one story pay.
Okay.
Pogba Kobo penalty said. Pogba Kobo penalty said. But Ken, the great players in the game. Omo crack penalty omo Bobby said. The top notch here. Pogba Mosai crack. The Zidanes, the Ronaldos, the Ronaldinhos, the Messi, the Ronaldos. Omo nyina say penalty. Enti Pogba say penalty again. They should give us a break. No more branch any piece. No fa M1 Hona games. Ono our team aside no he's moving or call wanyanko or stay in ken. I feel so omun kasa atom so now United headed towards omun's game on bebo.
Okay, well, Master, what will be your man?
Sure. United no say obi the to say 6th position loading in their first game. Inte they are also aware they will go through over the years. Again, and the our United is here BBR county or BBR count because they don't want to play us again. It's a BBR county because I'm say the least mistake I can on beside the system. Because yeah top 4 way no Obia you free. But they started well in their first game. It's BBR our United BBR county. Oh say yeah Liverpool money are there they know so okay. So we are say cry bet me about bad. But United they don't have any chances. Obisa as me obeka cho.
My point is that
yeah, sure.
Pogba Lingard there say Pogba.
Of course, yes.
They will be talking about it, but playing 113 games. A player who are consistent for United and playing 8 months.
Number 10, what they bought for the
8 months. So, and yet 2 months, 8 months.
Okay. It's a big man like Kasa, a carry weight. In some that big man issues. Na yeah, Luis Nazario de Lima, Ronaldo. O Fenomeno, Ronaldo Senior. I am more card original Ronaldo, but then they will be an adjunct. Nipe bia no ye fake. Bia original. Because God created all of us in his own image. A Ronaldo Senior and Ronaldo Junior. This is how we need to put it. And we had Junior and cry no more why no trust senior and to baby. It be a talent in a senior no. It's say in your case way the original genuine. Let's say the other one, the opposite there counterfeit. Which I don't really feel say it that and get too much respect for Cristiano Ronaldo Alvaro dos Santos. Ronaldo Senior and a mad dresser. Okay, you know what I'm saying? 34 Brazilians next year Kayama FC Barcelona. It's a Brazil from Bama Barcelona. We'll be to make about 3 different set of teams. And the choice of Brazil for not contributing a lot. All running through the names Caribbean, Romario, Rivaldo, Ronaldinho, Edmilson, Alves, Mota, Belletti, Neymar, Coutinho. Anyone answer Ronaldo. When we are players on be a hit. As far as Barcelona is concerned, of course, we must be a miss. But we would be our ball dinner. Mekai Ronaldo Senior very well. I was very young, but now the ball no bontina can be up and nothing. Or share 47 goals in 49 games in one season for Barcelona. And I Mekai League or share 34 goals in 37 games. And I bought Barcelona J 3 trophies. I Mekai Omoje the Cup winners. And Omoje the Super Copa. And Omoje. Your friend is saying the Copa del Rey. Even in the Cup Winners' Cup, no crown the share go in the final Barcelona. It to me a J. Ana Moreno that time no yeah Juma or no Castle who play Bia to say O Fenomeno Edda. Yes, he won the FIFA best. He won the Pichichi top scorer was Spain. Osage European Golden Boot. And I call back by Real Madrid. So I bet G Pichichi. But mom that time one G Golden Boot Real Madrid. So he's a great player. All ranking players all time I came to me in free. But the man did free Barcelona. After the season, no, now come 1 month to the end of the season, and I'm paying 4 years at a so more extending the contract because don't forget, so almost on the $19.5 million from PSV Eindhoven. a world record. Into Omoko agree be later the Barcelona president decreed said Eddie contract offer no more than money have said like I was into Barcelona campaign. Into Obeye highly disappointed. And an international Milan Eddie Sika Ebre no money torn out of contract 27 million. Ain't only 2 players in the history of football. Ya Tom world record. As I Tom world record. The first were Diego Armando Maradona. And the second were Ronaldo Luis Nazario de Lima. Ni Barcelona Nazario record this year. It will call internal or to me Cotuazo. Now, Osha Romario so he scored 30 goals in 33 games in the league. Can also J Pichichi no. Make so many Real Madrid 5 goals to nil Barcelona winning. He scored a hat-trick. Or J Pichichi or J League. Or J the Champions League or team no more call final na AC Milan show mo 4 no. And or G FIFA best. The amount also the free one say. Or 2 blue. Diego Simeone ya. Or blown in a game pa na easy. It later na coach Johan also no can drink on it Stoichkov na net attack. Johan Cruyff ko kind or TTB man. And a coach in here so free. And at the last but not the least, Ronaldinho Gaucho de Assis Moreira, of course, Mr. Barcelona. In 5 years, no, or J5 trophies, my Barcelona. And you know, Champions League made by Fie after 14 years through his efforts. Ronaldinho yet prolific goal scorer from midfield, but yet he scored 94 goals in 207 games. Clean, it is very, very good. Again, if FIFA Player of the Year or G2. The amount also free one say. The form ne they pay. Ain't Guardiola buy or making it clear so need Deco ni Eto should move out of the team. And now Eto no or no changing the lifestyle. But no Ronaldinho clubs near it. Inti president need decree say obey to me I'm on the form now baswa. Obey here different environment. Inti no no also need payment the coin. It's wo sha. Acquire players need free one a problem. But finally Coutinho the end day quite different. The money is different in the one. Since you are more here some the name abeba. King omo the Griezmann aba. Omo Messi or no more Suarez. These are the attacking players of Barcelona. Sanko for in why na Coutinho betu. Coutinho to me 1-9 into to me on 2 Suarez. Would neto right on to me Messi. Would neto left on to Neymar. Would neto 10 on to Griezmann. It is clearly or better na bench. King said omo ball 4-2-3-1 or better na bench. Even some ball 4-4-2 grana. King 2 attackers na betu me akoye Messi ne Suarez. Ebetumi Neymar and Suarez. Ebetumi so akoye Griezmann and Suarez. Can you understand the point? It is so on any place wo. And I say omo ball 4-3-3 no cry. Na so omo ball 3 no be ball like triangle. What I say? Busquets be go left. Na De Jong our right. Then on the apex of the triangle no. Who here play or yes stylist Neymar to me ball. Ken Messi be to me ball. Griezmann so to me ball. It clearly so it's now. Every good player, and I say talented player, big player, be anywhere you turn it na bench with all those wages. It is the good thing they say of finding a place to go because a name and ever.
Some no kind, no cry, no cry. Bills on Nema Wakan.
Say,
listen, no crew. Say, Barcelona is a football club.
Yeah.
Among treaty Brazilians from Romario Bepping Coutinho.
A name completely. My fan is about 50% because he be the Ronaldo. Of course, on Ronaldo the NCA. It's only the end there.
It's a point Ronaldinho, Romario, and on Ronaldo, Rivaldo. Man treat you me.
Rivaldo may anything. Rivaldo doesn't have a problem.
That's already Rivaldo issue.
Well, and I make sure a big one because once Ronaldo the NCA, Mina was very peaked. Ronaldinho, so I feel like the year into the Senka, your money bought at least a season here and now. It's also the same way my can't over. But what it means in the say. And yet, now, but 50% there or no correct.
Okay.
But the last but not the least, they say Coutinho issue now or the original song. And one year Coutinho the any different altogether because if Coutinho stay Barcelona, there is no way as a name of Beckham born or being a but he's also a big player. Brazilian star won't be managed in a bench. It's the best thing this or Beckham. And me and so movie, you know, can walk up bigger team, your man and
Master, but also for your chance. But Gariba, you will make a quick one now, about ranking sense, no, Kotokoni Asante Gold, you know, the normal debating the Abregana. You won't be here now because of mobile corner. No, there will be a clear picture of a year. Yes, I got to come one album, I grew in one album, but of course, I'm going to be better.
Yeah, patron. Everyone, I'm in. Let me say, the system no is a bit complex. Say na CAF here no, almost 5-year ranking. And this 5-year ranking no, almost for each single season a be bought CAF air competition. Into the air boy, the as good Nikotoko air bono. The 5-year ranking na CAF air no, a share from 2015 Confederations Cup, Champions League boy. 2016 Champions League and Confederations Cup. 2017 Champions League and Confederations Cup. 2018 Champions League and Confederations Cup. And then 2018-19 Champions League and Confederations Cup. Now 5. Into sa 5 no and ye use so already bowie. Na say sa 5 we no Ghana ye toso 19. Because ye kita only 9 points into. Ye the one club pay and a beko each competition. And that is why Kotoko is playing the Champions League and as good ebo the Confederation Cup no. Say ade Ghana ni na ye pet and they say in 4 slots no ye be sanya the back. Now ye di 2 teams each akọ CAF competition no. 2 in the Champions League and then 2 in the CAF Confederation Cup. Now the next cycle of CAF be you know 2015 be free. Now I say from 2016 Champions League and Confederations Cup boy. 2017 Champions League and Confederations Cup, 2018-19, and then the current one I am boy 2019-2020 no. Into benya 5 seasons. CAF ebe yusu. Now the attend said the Kotokoni as good ebo we no and a points no ebe doso the multiplying factor no because 2019-2020 we no ranking factor no beba be 5. Enti say first one I Ghana in points in the Mediama 2016 who some call the Confederation Cup. Omo ko do group stage. Na group stage no omo toso miensa into munya 1 point. 1 point no munya ye no. Say you from multiply 2 biom in the previous one no. Ye ba be new one CAF be na omo be multiply by only 1. Because you say 2016 na ba be di kind. 2017 points awonya ye be multiply by 2. 2018 ye be multiply by 3. 2018-19 ye be multiply by 4 and na 2019-20 ayeboy no points bi a obenya no ye be multiply by 5 enti se Kotoko we kra ni group no so timi ko do group stage no owe otoso 4th wari no points obenya no 1 because otoso last e Champions League group stage ye ma ranking point of 1 so otoso 3rd obenya ranking points of 2 Otoso 3 Champions League group A stage next say what also me say no so no ye be more ranking points of 3 na mo qualify quarter finals obeba benya 3 points after do semi finals e be 4 points ultimate do finals now win ya obenya 6 points na mo lose obenya 5 points until the highest you can get in the group stage in the Champions League patron 6 enter 6 losing final obenya 5. Na there then say who Kotoko wimpo on group stage that is what we do group stage now. Esa factor near 5 emu eduru no ntino. 1 no multiply by 5 Kotoko benya 5 points e dey ama Ghana. Your ranking points no.
Sisi aye dey say.
Sisi aye 9 points total.
Sisi your total points is just 9.
9 points per.
Say Kotoko do group stages no, you find so Mario.
O Mario ko ato so 4. Obeja 5 points.
E dey become 9 no.
Enya 9 biom go na next cycle no assistance na 9 but next cycle no aside say Mediama dia 2016 no factor no access by 1 ninti no ye be ba benya 6.5 e da ho dada
so say ye hwe ba ye nsa be ka ye source no ye 4 ni nyina so say ye total points so we whole Africa ye say 19
ye toso 19 be 9 points pe
9 points it's 9 points ye toso 19
yeah
enti ye be toso sen a na Yebeba, Yebenya false loss.
Say this about in the between 1 to 12.
1 to 12.
You're also 12 crana. Yebenya false lot no back.
Now 19 but 12.
Yes, say 390 but 12.
It is a Kotoko as good mudu him.
But you so mudu on benye. This one I'm predicting. Say Kotoko tibi could do quarterfinals, at least quarterfinals of the Champions League group stage, Champions League. Now as good could do quarterfinals. Points Yebenya no 25 points. 25 near the 25 no ababeka 6.5 na e wo hono dada so we are going to 31.5 this will get us first slot automatically
say Kotoko do quarter final
yeah
as go do quarter final
yeah
almost 25 points
25 points
You're 6.5 now.
Yeah, 6.5 though. For the next cycle, I can't be. Because
just we no me no we no kono kora betim be
25 solid.
On betting 25 for that.
That is when Omutimi Kwanko do quarterfinals.
Even the quarterfinals.
Quarterfinals. As I said, who do quarterfinals now free Obenya 3 points. 3 you better multiply by 5. Kotoko Dieno no Champions League. Quarterfinals. Who free Obenya 3 points. Into Kotoko do quarterfinals of the Champions League. No free more. Obenya 3 points. Near they multiply by 5. Into 15 points na Kotoko Obenya.
15 points.
15 for Ghana. Ranking points. As go so Timi Drew no free more. Obenya 2 points.
Now multiply by 2.
By 5.
By 5, now 10.
Now 10. So 10 plus 15 is 25.
So come be 15 as good. I'm
25.
10. 10.
Now 25. Omu nia do quarter for omu competition.
Now okay 6.5.
Now they are covering 6.5. Now I 31.5.
Now has Africa. Yes.
Enti they tell say when na ye can
say 2 say Champions League 2 and
now we are better.
Oh okay.
we who say price mo do
esa for support Kotoko.
But mo yire mo bi na mo.
na say na mencha de na Kotoko do semi-finals who free my points near 4 multiply by 5 20 enti Kotoko e fa so matima ko do semi-finals and omu free on benya 20 ranking points at the Amagana.
So see, your points are winning 6.5.
6.5 for the next cycle.
But I'm going to 20.
20. Am I? Could do semi-finals. So this is the reason why it's a national assignment. If you love Ghana football, you must play for the 2 clubs. As God also team could do semi-finals. Obenya 3 points. So 3 multiplied by 5 is 15. And to 15 and then 20 of Kotoko the Kabuma and 35. 6.5 na that one on my for the next cycle no. So 35 plus that's 6.5 no. And then more 41.5.
And never heard about around 7 more.
Yes. See, I don't know. And as good and Kotoko to be exceptionally good in Africa this season. To target the first love for Ghana, they have to be overwhelmingly good. Because I make any easy quarterfinals of Champions League patron one winning. It's never easy. But what points are going to go or do quarterfinal better than 15? It's a young
the other winner is 6.5.
6.5 for the next cycle.
And you're tossing 19.
And you're tossing 19.
You're about 12.
You say about 12 near first lot. So this is the way we can only get our top 4. We only need Asgod and Kotoko. So I
said, "What do you mean? No, betray idea kakra. I know you're going about rap. You will be our TV. Now I clear. 2 teams in Africa. The woman no. Ghana so far your points is 6.5. You're tossing 19. I say about 12. Answering a false loss. And Kotoko do quarter final. Pekrana on my 15. As go do quarter final on my 10. On to the 25 about. I became 6.5 now straight. Next the following year, 2020, 2021. Ibenya Confederation 2, Champions League 2. Okay. Yes, you will be our supporting.
Your teams here, the back.
Oh, there's a back of it. How will feel back?
When I walk come has and I want to come home. And I can't walk out.
Kotoko House of Folk has enough, my. That's after we are going to 3 weeks.
No, but
ready.
and a kid, it depends baby I'll be due a league now because yes, 47th away.
Oh,
you the last time I had bought top for a year. Then come, yes, we then come more than Kwane. The boy no Kwan, the Mojina, what 5 million.
Oh, so the boy keep because dreams no fan. And I say, I look at the ball friend, I fan.
I semi-final. Semi-final, what's the day?
Say a top one, I can't find a boom goes in final.
Now money dreams yesterday.
I know they're top 8.
I said, I'm making me see league. I said, okay, mom, about league.
Well, I say last league, boy, he did. Then wow, starts question last league.
And then I make us a Nikamudi second, Wafato Sutu. And I'm say after no. The ambassador come correct.
Sunday and boom, and TV. I went to.
Now, say, what's a football support trade empire? Very bad can't see me. Cut your pepper. But the support to a ding. So, saying can you go back? Kotoko Koba or the 15 bar. Now go the 10 bar. Na yenya force loss so say musu nyenya biako but once they say no wo ko support o ma sa de na ba na e ya de am
de ba kwata kwata mo yiro mo But here you support on the ends for the more you
But omo the body am beji akọ.
Oh, say ya dey bia ba mama ko danti. Omo the
Me say omo the best is am beji akọ.
Omo the bana ka say yan ko dia ye.
Asafo.
Okay. So,
And no safo amon for abota number pa mo say amo ba na baso. No pa wa yes sports no half for no frame pass amo me fa number no mo ba na baso. Na boss ba de no na minin say boss ba de pa de ya ni minin.
Nese na no keka na no pa.
Na na me say minin number anya sa me mo no akọ no abete.
Ken. Omo manage and I say omo kita Maxwell back no muntunifu. Maxwell back no muntunifu.
Why then?
And no me wa Branton wait we put you on a serious.
Abaso wo pra.
Yes. Unye training. Inti na me say omo ntuni no hwe na didi mu yi. Because we put you on waiter. It's a kotokotim say na e kono.
Yeah, tell me chama sola na ho ka.
Oh, can you say me come.
Na from us we try.
We can all yes sports news no aye only. Anything that play bias and ban ya fe na me that.
We put you on weight. Serious.
That's a Lukaku.
Na he fa na
Ne to ne fu.
ana onhwe a obe we den say. Because Lukaku you 105.
Ken menya dia was highway, but we put you on weight.
Bo be do 100.
100.
Listen this.
Usa omo aka sa o nipa ne hu sa. Enti mi hu no a suddenly
We wa na wo hu
we
ya.
mia
On fa ne nyina yi bia so.
o me ne kasai. I called me ne kasai.
Ana o ka chen say o ni mo yidu.
Yeah, me ka chen say Max.
Ana wa say be kan radio so.
Oh, me see the foot phone to nifu.
And his own said o ye ne.
Ken no ano.
O so sia. O ne ka. It is a one way say. O de trust.
I me was tell pa. O dey I find here ye kwa na account na ya. O say aban ne nyaade. Ye kwa na account na ya. Aban ne nyaade. Wasan account na aban ya ni o. Aban you abomo ti. Why you see so anu we do. And a team no say team say na ye no. Mo bia me say
Ade we dey o kire wa de. Osman no Amadu de ne Ken. Osman no Amadu ni awudu adama de. Any problem. Matter omo so dada o. Asem sa omo so dada no mo de bobo.
Betuma e kese am ndum bobo.
O de bi
Yes,
esa na.
I Osman Abadu Kwamna Yaro and so
Omo so dada. E na Ken. E nya story say enye de be yo na Lukaku oye kakraka o be
but
ka.
dia me blame Osafa do na say Osia player na mo. I do two player.
Ken ende blame
So
myself.
only player na carry dia. Say one man be 1 month bi na o san hwe. Who wants na all the can. Say na 2 for you.
Akenda be na ma tori Lukaku na na sem. Say need 2 weeks kra.
Yeah, of course.
And oye Lukaku boot na te no use.
Say,
Ah na no Ken no
say wow,
the boot no ne one.
So
How that house kwa na.
it's good say was about the
Baba so say the woman say
now
look at wait to be here.
yeah, who died training for well over 6 months. Hey, they'll be put on natural normal. But the thing say, all started training now, all starting. But what I say, it's a very normal. But the mum the thing say,
and you're very normal.
to me yet can see obey your obesa, a bad affecting.
I don't
It's
know
not that.
But
It's a very normal. Or started training.
You plan account I will bet you. Ken.
Na let's see.
Sorry, Yakuba. Ken, mama,
Ah, what's what I will come so near Ad can was it.
Sonny Yakuba. Or started tuning in ra. Ken says, "Your money more. My money more. Your money more. My money more." But Ken, likely says Sonny Yakuba will be on the bench.
Team sheet in the Digran was it. So I fit.
Ken.
who
Yes. Ken, the one is standing.
And so you're part
Yeah,
of
of
the
the
team.
yeah.
Media understand. Understand this, and just so you're part of the team. Even not camp.
Not at all.
Omon Comra, Omo Body. But this one is no. They play the idea. So could the background out to the beginning man. Fine, Bamade.
Don't go for playing Bandana.
But then I got to come with the idea. Can the na Jimmy Power, we part of Penubi. They got Jimmy Power, and one as they say, yeah, no watch us here. The Genesis, and there's one day one perm of former GD Power. They are Jimmy Power, and maybe to me, Power, be a switch me, come and so them all. Or Jimmy Malaria or ɛnyɛ malaria duro mepa kyɛ ɔpɛ bi ɛbɛtumi nyinaa sɛ deɛ ma wo ne ɔdi di ko ɛno ɔyam na atim sɛ wansɔ na agu ho na wapɛ bi me nua ba wota gu nsa na wotwa nya ha kakra wodi ane sɛ wobɛnya ayam mepacho aye jidiko ni bi yewon ani jidiko yo jidiko for ho eno aye wardrobe bi a sabi obo eta hyehye wo eno ano so betime anya bi na bia so aye kama enso ajama kwakọ na keba aye jani heba wa stand ferment seba ho nyina obenya biato obenya biato blessed require sounds na aye ozons chemis e wo nyina bi ho eno ano so bepe aye GG power for 026699 mepacho for 026698 80 aye 00 0268 98 80 00. Professor Alan Sadacom. I am Prince of Zion Academy. I'm a Tramodern Sports Complex. And so, I am Tramodern Sports Complex. And I'm one. I am a classroom. So, I'm a patch of my banana cook, Ravana, Savano, Odo Banoco School, and I can say, oh, man, could be my grand, you begin your call. And I'm going to a year top of your palace, you know, every gym, Sheffield 020430. 6444 0204 30 6444 or first online on Sadacom. So by the champion.
Yeah, Ken. Muscle back when proud or put you on weight. It's normal. It depends on the type of injury a player and a PK. One, the duration of the attention. Any the process of the firm and will recover. Who did you know that one to home? Maybe a merciful hospital. What your pedal was came no about. Definitely it will affect your body weight. But I would say, Mekai Master midfielder Abu Dhabi. During one interview, I know Bisan, then and hand about his injury, not see any recovery. Because you'll be forced to stay back. Some of the injuries, I will stay back. What's mean, Yashi? Overbound to catch up with your form. No? The stress that you go through is another difficult hurdle. International player Lanka told him say, in his return to gain his form, there's a series of stress. Any factor so Benny. From that particular point in the even players you cry a been prior, or 3 months in poor, or the ability to train. I'm so much gain weight. I'm more pride, just the only club, and not if ye. It was me a training or corner, bobo crowd. I'm crown when you got back to football. I expect also to play competitive game. No more. Don't even look at the European players. Omako preseason. You cry for 1 month. Maybe do 2 months simple. I know yeah, leisure free. Like omo free period, omo didi, omo da, omo chele, omo clubbing pon. Look at wait omo picking when they return. A typical example even in the Hazard and say yeah, or some of Real Madrid. So it's natural, a part of the system. Try them 3 months. Wow, boss, wait a bit. And it's not just 3 months. 3 months near time and then close them. Or started so PP and tin impon. And also it's almost 3 months in pool. Because the first time was a match so piano and was time I could call about a second. And he had to 3 months. so it's expected. Just that his recovery a very tough for him. Because he'll be forced to burn more weight than at the end of the year. It's normal with footballers and injuries. So me who ask him they can I've made my point clear. If you're not affecting bonding and he's fit for the coach's plan, that's all about. And number you 1 team bonding. 2 coach in the plan or you're fit to play. Because Makase, coach be on the system obo. Coach be our strategy or map here for particular games. Abrantian or part to play in the coach's plan. And he see fit to play that part in the coach's plan. Or do you maybe your coach and say or they go against Kanu players nana. Now so do you maybe have been put here or one more thing. And can we talk about players' fitness? And not just the physical aspect. Not physical aspect. Sometimes your integration with your players, your psychological makeup don't put the same. Why dream no? Then I also why dream? Because I just say Arsenal for after their tour. Also, and Kolasinac, you know. Yeah, man, Sam. You decided say for security reasons, they be a first game among three. Me am prep you for the next game. There are series of events. Player be an area. Me I say okay, you ma break up. Question now you know. Even with David Silva, after sending you and Bama too, there were issues, you know.
Man City for open for decided send your corner court now because they realize that psychologically he's not fit to play or divided attention. Emma Winger the best out of him. So when you talk about fitness, and now what the impact, it's Sonia Kuba Betima started training, but psychologically, you didn't be General Park as well. His commitment and contribution very negative. That's what the tranching. Now working on that to you. If you hadn't been General Park as well, how would the fans react to him? Now fans nimpo reacted to him, now every negative. Or bet me a stand there deliver. Based on your observations. Meaning I idea how you coach and so players not your member born nimpo. After bare 1 week about training, sign on your mukita with the is he acting shy? Because player will go through or banu to say he's timid. I say waba from kakras or ferry and what didn't come on the bubble number from something is wrong with him psychological. It will be a bad start. But if all those factors are positive, confidence no, because as a player you need confidence to play. Especially you need confidence. Confidence to stand the negative reaction. Because no fans think that be more positive reaction. Do you need confidence? That commitment, that eagerness, so baby to prove up. So when you then pair or more anymore yet. If psychologically he's fit and physically and again he will fit into the coach's tactics and plan. Coach Nash can play for first game. If you are realizing who say it's a born or the tougher, no. Sonia Kuba or the born to form me abuana. Yes, or if you are coach realize that I'll play more midfielders and maybe one top. And the remember that Jiran and me probably good in the air based on Kanu players they have shown. In that case, is Sonia Kuba the perfect player pair the training our film till now? If you are coach Moon say no. Intermediate, if he is fit, and I'll repeat it, psychologically, physically, because again, Kotoko will need to be sharp up front. Game now Kotoko bon. And now I talk about the entire meaning of Kotoko Kunim. But on the pitch itself, sometimes a Kunumuya ding. Now when Timmy answer 2 years now opponent to shower, you need players with that character. That leadership skill, I said. Yanko that at the end of the day, I'm on for a feeling or born in some now so some crying on the pitch because young men say you come see atmosphere anything. See, I started game that can play for each other. No matter the number of supporters who stay the home. You may hear an electrifying movement be now. Kenya supporters ni the Porcupine tertiary for the baby. You can always obey to the quarter to say found on baby. But say you're starting a game near slower. Not chill, neighbor. Oh, you'll be any more better, baby. And we all know Sonia Kuba on a given day, no matter how bad it is, or that spirit. So if you fit into the coach's plan and his experience is needed, his attacking contribution and quality is needed. But I see a check how we will drop him into the team. Because in Pennyford, we can say, so if it will not improve team chemistry, because players money penny farm you can listen to them indirectly. Omo body language players no kran omo ke kafa Yakubu Abani put say. Idea omo kasa there's that acceptance because kin say players ko bobo no mu ni say ubetimi abo omo masha. Omo betimi ni bibia to nche. Baby omo ni say o kwa ye hwan. Ase ye jeje so dodo. Uni ho e betimi aya. Why obegire ba they will try to prove say uni ho e betimi aya ntu be ka okra afa hwe I'm a count. So I'm checking all those factors. So I'm checking on say, ebe move in favor of Kotoka. I have no problem with him starting.
But that's a so very champion.
Yeah, Yakuba is a very good player. And also, Bia, why you be that me? Ayani and Shada and Jim Wachin. Sometimes will be for a macro business. Why you be that? Okay, we are him. Near ready how you are. You know why you be that way or how you're good at it, just take you. But when you be that now you're good for I am not acting, say a befoul. Unless you be a bit more trying to watch her say, you are that type. Internet you may be out for experience me. See, with his quality, no. Also, make us send command Divo technical team some time ago. Next, just Muhiana or Bar a bebo partner near Marco. So again, players need an name a Juma or Mokakwe, a must win. Because so much mean we need progress. So Mankasakra careers a coso. Or much make group stage a better almost see you. To me actually say, oh. Me ball Kotoko Champions League group stage in itself now. It is obi nso wɔ hɔ na obetumi de bi abɛka ho na ɔmo nyinaa duru. I mean, yes, so the players will say no. Menim sɛ what I say again. Sikasɛm so wɔ hɔ. Ebi a mo winning match na mo kɔ ne sikasɛm ɛɛba. And every player say na no bet can is true. Sometimes player bi wɔ mu na ne ball no ni ball mbe winning a. Wonim na woyɛ rock chain ko obi wɔ team na ɔbɛ attack wɔ team no. Because that way no. Nti Yakub's quality in the enye pro. But issue is enye member radio ni bi am put press as yemfa Yakuba do because all over the media in Kumasi it is very bad. It is not done anywhere. It is not the job of journalists to tell the coach who to play.
And I'm also ready for
the enye one and the enye.
Radio phone to trauma.
The enye adwenche yo se na ye kira adwen. Ti say bia oh Yakuba bo bia ye. Nti so betumi abo coach ni feel so obebo mbo ni a difference say change na ye so no e bo no amba nipa mba park na propaganda. Na nipa mapa no ne ebehwe no no mamba na when e be shego no way to me shego no propaganda. We don't do that. Journalism is not like that. Because you be adwuma sisi as a radio for ye dede no de ne kwatwum na amfa mo ba accept responsibility ana mo be say you mo want say mo de enya mo adwuma is that not true? It leave the coach to do his job. If the coach ni akola ni train no who say akola ni e fit no de ne baba me ni problem you should play because be my result. But if the coach also feels that e be mo nobody should go because the king ya wa hey say ye bibi na office adi we mo na kasa wu twema we can't come and tell you say no we can't fight you say enya say man ye say bia wu nim dia wo ye. You understand my point? Because Kotoko team now make what I want you to do, whether Max or Ako Yakubo, be Ako Edimo. Then internet team ne free time yet Nguyeno. Yet Africa was the same thing. Later goals in man, no match say, Sisi Ado ma assist. Meboa. Yet Africa the same thing, so no I'm buying to me. Later when it was not happening, other players stood up and we were moving. Later a car so Africa goes short. No more safety then the fast. Oh, or my assist. The same as other players give somewhere. You can't so omo nyade. It came that what a corner day and him so. You see a call on the United front to win. It's Yama coach Nedma. Minnesota coach in Kwawu Yakuba quality. And yes, Anka bench a crown fanema. Into every ordinary about bench, Yakuba will play a role. It might even interest of free bench they say too. Young Jai coach and any bench coach and way nice or starting with any Duma. Any Duma. It's all over the media in Kuma. Yes, of course. Yeah, King. Yeah, yeah. King, the thing. Yeah, what crying a fast yeah, King. Yeah, what fire a cry a fast can now walk out wagging. Any what kinds of fast can not just a propaganda. So the young I had been yeah, been get it out. Yeah, you will be a so. So what I say, 80 young head or a very good player. Say coach if you say why you right now the never bar. I'll be happy because Kotoko should win. They should win. What I say and Yakuba can let them win because strikers now is here and there. He's ahead of everybody. That is a fact. But if this person no better psychologically, if not yet ready. What Nico James no also to papa so what is going to happen? What was the propaganda in no more today attention. It's not I am supporters they buy in media no so because your coaches in Edumay. It is uncle yes so yeah no so be. But at least, yes, yeah. Now, finally, on Maxwell, King, 6 months and Cabana is a Maxwell back. Because say, a woman is 6 months. But me feel say, I say, Nico, a plan now more than as it is. Because the company for now, baby, because 6 months in your map back, and the whole thing was 6 months. Right now, the problem, they say, was starting beach work, Ewakra. And on man, a bass or me who doctor no. But Dr. Pambo, a black stars doctor, so I found the same bar. Into no correct nine or say, ah, but 9 case so much meta macula started training. It's not they don't understand. About the doctor, Bibia or Bibia free or Bibia. But or help per se or Muzi and San Baba, goes I am a psychological. Yes, I'm going to me up born I Bibia. It's Dr. Pambo, yes, I said, Banan come but also doctors, your moon I one, or noon to me can't just add a doctor Yanisa. Into a refer to on a doctor now, or yes, surgery. Into a banner doctor and they say, yeah, baby, we're doing on starting your shooting. If the Dr. Pambo cry, say, or ye give you the train, maybe I'm not having to blast local blasters or may join you. Now, on your one more efforts can be, I know I'm almost so I shooting. Neso or deco. It's what I'm trying to say is say by now they send Capilana back.
It's the chance 6 months and doctors and the man and
6 months in money away. It's a say a Nico 9, but or quite crown with your infections. I want 9. Into on man draw my infection e come and say BBI right. And match will come back freely. Oh no plan or ba. E ja no de ba present send your work. No the market on the wall. That's why a fit or where
Maswana na ise. Ani bre na maswana.
You must have propaganda. Propaganda. Gradually, be our kinds of channel whether a player should play or not. It depends on how our analysis. So, Bona Uncle Ya, Kotoko coach, Nakatia, Radio Nibia Nibi. Uncle George Amaku 6,000 cities now or Gino, a month in Radio Nibia Nibi. Oboko, Canopilas or Mokode $500. Contingent in their coy and Radio Nibia Nibi. And the fact that radio for better analysis doesn't mean say no also omuti coach no tin na adwuma the beka na also omunko training or park in the summer place near familiar with the pet in the king omako omunko nti obi amfa hwe be radio ni
So baba run be Thursday mo. Yeah. Ombe baba Thursday.
The coach no hu ne so oba Thursday na be dey e be boa no yemu bia kwan no nkyere na adwen ken in any football team ade ba kwa we footballer na awo mu a e wo se wo gitum and they say whether you like it or not there is a special player in the team. Manchester for mu this is a fifth but Pogba is special in their team. West Ham Cardiff City mu ken oko Wolverhampton mu teams in keto e wo family ground there are special players in there. Samson ye how ba how ko bekum Arsenal mu oko bekum Chelsea mu oko Wow Stars there are special players in there. Teams on call relegating special players room. Samson team be how bekum we as a team na ken I confirm to feel this vision crowd there is a special player in the team. So Oba Kotoko the special player in the Kotoko team is Sonny Yakuba. Ken Sonny Yakuba enye obia he is special. Ken what and what chill time and again say he's special. Makase woni hon omo bon. If they are able to play above Sonny Yakuba, nobody will pick a phone and call him. And I agree with Robert say so what checking near man and my player active and my player fit psychologically or sound or you well prepared and mentally ready for the game that is coming up. Nothing stops a coach from playing him in that particular game. Okay, that is my opinion. And Tete was a coach in the American note, you know. I pay my analysis. And Ken, members may repeat what I say. Half time and watch the Africa game so well. He may not score. But Ken, the attacking play of the Kotoko team only allowed the attacking play to function. Go and watch the Zesco game. Can see how Kotoko Kobo Zesco one move in his own way. And Nemua. And one say all the cost on 2 million and baby. He was the missing link in that game. Kotoko team sport. One shego. Masoba Akubu ne shego. Imanu Jan Fumu ne shego. But go and watch Yakuba in that game. Roberto Firmino. Season in we are not salary money as shego chain. But go and watch when Liverpool is playing without him. The attack tends to be toothless. Same thing happening in Kumasi and same happening in Kotoko. The point I'm making is so simple. In terms of experience, in terms of personality in attack. Obi Ojinanimu are defenders who's on the general. That is the issue that I'm talking about. He may not be Abeture, he may not be Bequin. But Kenene, it is Yakuba.
Oh, yeah, near my answer for time. I had him because of say one year star player in
1958 World Cup. Now, Flavio Costa was the coach for Brazil. Your mom most of players here, the bar will tell some more BMP. The next time you see Garincha in the next bar.
No way, Garincha.
Okay, maybe. In Kotoko, he is.
Kotoko Garincha.
Then in Kotoko said, Mr. One about Kotoko, I couldn't come and then to ride up fan. Who is that player? Who do you go bidding? No, my son. Oh, Bimu de Mobidi. And I'm saying, Here foreigners be brima. Kotoko players be brima. Prince Akwa Nkotrata Prade. Obi go find ba. Oja Kotoko Trata Prade. Obi Akwa friend.
That time na be Kotoko nya.
The point I'm making is so simple. Me say me ti hey. Yakuba de o me metra amonati. Say onya ametu, onya bekwen.
But the Indian team is special. It depends on the practice as a guarantee to play and the pass will come for him to score. Master, then any no credit and any cry. Oh, it again the point is so simple. You could bet me I can send you as Yakubabo. Opinion on your argument, that is your opinion, you must accept it. But my point is so simple. Mr. Ken, Real Madrid for personality in attack into no cover hazard. Kotoko needs a personality in attack. Mr. Ken, born I born a players 11. Obiba Bedino no, I didn't see Yakuba na ya. Olympe. Ojina chile game won home. Still, you were forced to come to the pitch and limp and play against Carrera. Aditya. Ken or your principal. I know you pukwa fee. No object stadium. Yakuba na ya. Ken, warm up crowd or your crowd who player on your ready sort of ball. Until you none and so. Or troubles to coach the neighbor man a ball. Why? He's special. Eddie Ken, became asking me over the same because 2 minutes.
Hey, what time okay, my mom crack.
Eddie Ken, my point is simple. Me mama Kasama. Yakuba may be in discipline. But Ken, got to compel him for so actually I'm young Yakuba in discipline. Obiet me upon him. One of them upon his Yakua. Me met me across our contract, I met him now, so I'm a cotton and crum. Now me send the messages to Bremo. Now me did team doctors at them. Now me say bar. Me say yourself go unveil not a sports hotel on Moko. Now they tell you training ground your special training. Ah, Ken. Etimo Bianco carry. The team, the coach, the management have accepted that Yakuba is special. And me. Ah, me tier and me Baba Castle me taken. I give you an example. Unveiling Name was here. He is the only player Awama. Maybe some player because who on an sports hotel. Ken Obaye na penimphobia kakra o mensem kra friend na wie. Teke. Kotokono no unim ba no ayo ho abonye. Obaye mbeye ma. Ken the reality is so simple. If he is fair. On the whole thing obetimi aba. He will allow the Kotoko attack to function 2 goals, 5 assists in Africa campaign. Ken, he's the face of the team. And he's a special player.
Andy,
I don't know
last week, house for okay, whatever.
Nyamya house for China, house and the national 23 above airborne my friend match. We say house yes, national 23. I'm coach, you know, where you walk to European last 8. Our German team coach, house coach, and European last 8. Our British team coach, and yes, scout at Akafoban, our only last 8 coach. Who her coaches in a match will grant us, go for Nico coaches in pedigree. We mean like the European classes, a coach, Lances. I don't mean you have Black Star. The match where a title match, but they say, you match, Martin. Let's say a title match. He's a national team and the 20 Olympic game. I'm coach to Lances, Europe, German team coach. I have coach to British team coach. I'm about Black Star. Until a year coach, yeah, or yes, scout, any Akafa Banana, coach, I win the Lances. We won't call Moina. And I'm not so sure how psychologists be from UK. And he has players, you know, ever to say a psycho, come with Biako to come. And houses, you go and contact us about you. And when you phone no more now be a master in Nukakana, Bibia to photos here come. And our houses, so Mr. Daniel Quadia, and no contract me. A yabawi, and when you force it after my one Motrasana, or Master Bibia come Timino, as a Bejan Nassau. And then Yamia Saturday to House of Fogivisia, supporters. Because I won't bomb much in Via, drew a day or marble. Somebody know, some will hear the years of Monko bomb match. Albert or Galba could also mean from Jason Brand, I want to meet Ingusu. Now, Bias Mam, some better Manchester Jason Brand. And now Manchester Shannon, send him Sicano. I don't want to run about no Sam says Canaba. And I'm saying, Abba. Only some take an answer, not Jenny by Scan Martin, Bepe, Manchester Jason Akuman. Okay. Because it's first go now, no send this cano. Go for the take, I know Sam says Canaba. It is a bar, Uncle Ada, and I'm Saba.
How about talk to Yakuman?
Hey, what's Manchester there? Now, what I don't know about it, mean to me. So,
no, that's a P 020 6 12 12 19.